We're here at Collegetown Plaza at 111 Dryden Road to take a look at studio apartment 6H. Let's go on in. We'll enter through our kitchen. You can see the cabinets. There's the refrigerator. The freezer is on top. The sink, the microwave, and the electric stove oven, and cabinets and drawers. There's one drawer on either side of the sink. As we go into the apartment, the bathroom is across from us. We'll take a look in there. It's the same bathroom that we've seen in the other units with that tub shower and the sliding door. There's the sink with the cabinet underneath that opens. You can see the light. That one has a nice light. The large mirror, the toilet, the towel racks, and a small cabinet on the wall that also holds items that does open to hold things. And as we go into the apartment, it's the same shape and size as you've seen the other studios in the building, and the same furnishings. You'll have that table and chair, the full-size bed, the dresser, the desk and chair, and the bookshelf, which we've got over here behind the closet. And these items will always be the same items in every apartment. The styles may vary from unit to unit. Here's a look in the closet. And we've got closet hanging space, a shelf, and there's your closet. So the main difference in these apartments will be the position on the floor and your view out the window. We've entered the building on floor 4. You can watch the building overview videos to see how Collegetown Plaza fits together in the hilly part of the neighborhood. But here on the west side of the building, we are up on the 6th floor, so we do go down quite a ways, so we are pretty high up. So again, we entered on floor 4 from the east side, but we're on the west side, which is the side that is the downhill side of the building. We do have some great valley views over to our south, which is the left. We can see over this building and some great views. It's really pretty. It's nice to be able to see the trees and the leaves in the fall especially. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're here in central Collegetown. And this is studio apartment 6H, located just 1 block from campus.